Hi, everyone. It's such an honor to be here. For those of you who do not know us, I am Vanessa and this is Justice. We're the co owners of Slap to Health. Our mission is to help you embrace holistic health and wellness, empowering you to prioritize your mind, body, and soul. For those of you who may not know me, I worked at the Urban Mission Ministries from 2017 to 2022. I deeply understand the unique challenges that come with this work. The long hours, the emotional weight, and the constant dedication to serving others. There were moments when I found myself overwhelmed, crying in frustration, and feeling completely defeated. In 2019, I realized I needed to make a change, not just for myself, but to continue showing up for the important work we do. That's when I started incorporating self care practices into my daily life. Over time, these practices not only helped me manage stress, but also allowed me to feel more present, focused, and empowered. Eventually, my husband and I turned this passion into action by introducing self care practices through Slap to Health, our holistic wellness online store. We wanted to share natural remedies and tools that support physical, mental, and emotional health. Tiffany shared that this year's theme is This is the Way, Walk in It, Isaiah 30:21. This workshop is titled This is the Way, Practicing Self Care in Service. So, what is self care? Self care is any intentional action you take to care for your well being. It's about recognizing your limits, listening to your needs, and recharging so you can continue to give your best to others without depleting yourself. I want to share two key takeaways. Takeaway one: God calls us to serve others, but we cannot serve effectively if we are drained, burnt out, or disconnected. Isaiah 30:21 reminds us to walk in the path He has set for us. To do that, we must be intentional about creating space to hear His voice and stay centered in His guidance. Key takeaway number two: you can't pour from an empty cup. Imagine trying to serve with an empty heart or exhausted mind. Self care isn't selfish, it's a way to recharge so we can continue walking the path God has set for us. We are attaching two links, one for a breathing exercise and a guided meditation. We would like to continue by sharing at home self care practices for both men and women, morning devotion and prayer. Start your day with quiet time in prayer and Bible reading to ground yourself in God's Word. Physical activity: go for a walk, do a quick workout or stretch to release pent up energy and improve mood. Journaling: write down your thoughts, prayers, or gratitude to clear your mind and reflect on God's blessing. Creative outlets: try drawing, painting, writing, or playing music to express yourself and reduce stress. Relaxation techniques: take a warm bath, light candles, or play calming music to unwind. Suggestions for women: practice skincare routines as a form of self care. Try aromatherapy with essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus. Suggestions for men: spend time on hobbies like woodworking, fishing, or sports. Schedule time to relax with a good book, podcast, or movie. Let's close with a simple reminder to carry into your day. Closing affirmation: I am walking in the path God has set for me. I release what I cannot control and I trust in His plan. I care for myself so I can care for others with His strength and grace. We at Slap to Health thank you for your time. Let's make 2025 a year of growth and wellness. Peace and blessings.